Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide the taskbar while screen recording in OBS Studio, step by step. This helps you create a cleaner screen recording without showing the Windows taskbar. So let's get started. First, right-click an empty area on the taskbar. Next, select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down to Taskbar Behaviors. Then, check the box next to Automatically Hide the taskbar. The taskbar will now hide automatically when you're not using it. Next, open OBS Studio. Click Start Recording. Your screen recording will no longer show the taskbar unless you move your mouse to the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the taskbar while screen recording in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more OBS Studio tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.